It was almost Christmas in Kingston, and the city was hit with an exceptional storm. Winds are so high that it is snowing sideways. The city is virtually shut down. Even though it's almost Christmas, stores and bars are closed. As I wandered in this blowing wilderness, I would experience a bit of a Christmas miracle myself. Freezing my ass off, I noticed a guy running across the street with a guitar in the storm. On a hunch, I follow. And next thing I know, I'm chatting with Brett Emmons, the lead singer for the Glorious Sons, arguably one of Canada's hottest bands. Emmons had just stepped out for a smoke. The city is closing down. The Glorious Sons are scheduled to perform in a big sold-out show tonight. But will they? I have had the luck and privilege of living and working in some amazing cities. New York, Montreal, Toronto. But one day, I ended up here. Cold, barren. Where is everybody? I thought I had made a terrible mistake. But life is full of surprises, and so is Kingston, Ontario. This city lost its primary institution, its most famous symbol, and its legendary band. But as I watched Kingston renew and transform itself, I would be renewed and transformed in ways that I never imagined. This is that story.